The weird world of cryptocurrency got even weirder with the arrival of Shiba Inu. Now among the top 30 or so cryptocurrencies in the world, its staying power is a testament to the might of memes, the contagious nature of investor groupthink, and the cuteness of fluffy dogs. But the coin that billed itself as the Dogecoin killer is an amazing crypto investment opportunity that now it boasts more than 675,000 users. There's a lot of new information you need to know if you are invested into Shiba Inu or are thinking of investing in Shiba Inu. In this video I am going to be telling you new information that could have a huge impact on Shiba Inu's price. I have some of the best news that you will not hear anywhere else. So make sure you watch until the very end of this video to know exactly how Shiba could hit 10 cents in the near future. Welcome to Crypto Hype, the best cryptocurrency and Shiba Inu news channel on YouTube. Also, we're giving away $300 at the end of the month to a random subscriber to start them on their crypto journey. To enter, all you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment your favorite crypto coin in the comments section down below. Now let's go. The strange beginnings of Shiba Inu, launched in August 2020 by an anonymous person going by the name 𝗦𝗲𝗰𝗿𝗲𝘁𝘀. Shiba Inu was a challenge to Dogecoin from the very beginning. Its mascot, the coin's namesake breed of Japanese dog, is also the mascot of Dogecoin, which itself was started as a joke based on a viral canine internet meme. Like so many other cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu is based on the Ethereum blockchain. 𝗦𝗲𝗰𝗿𝗍 started with a supply of 1 quadrillion tokens, that's 1,000 raised to the power of 5. 𝗦𝗲𝗰𝗍 then locked half of the tokens in a decentralized finance protocol called Uniswap and burned the other half, worth $1 billion, to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin for safekeeping. Buterin then donated trillions of Shiba Inu coins to India to help stem the spread of COVID-19. It was history's largest cryptocurrency donation before burning 40% of the total supply to a dead wallet. Make sure you guys keep watching until the end of the video to hear about Elon Musk's huge Shiba announcement and how Shiba could hit 10 cents soon. Elon Musk posts puppy 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 in a Tesla. Shib coin surges 30%. A Twitter post of Elon Musk's Shiba Inu dog has caused the cryptocurrency of the same name to soar 30% on Monday. On Sunday night, Musk posted the picture of his pup 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 in the front trunk of a Tesla, causing not only the Shiba Inu coin to jump but also Dogecoin to spike a short-lived 7.5 cents. Musk brought home 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 on Sept. 12 in a Twitter post after declaring in June that he was getting a Shiba Inu dog, the mascot of the Dogecoin currency. At the time that he declared he was getting a Shiba Inu and would name it 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, a number of spin-off cryptocurrencies popped up in the dog's name. When 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 finally arrived, the spin-off currencies saw a price bump with the dog's arrival. Now with the post of 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 in a Tesla, #SHIB began to trend on Twitter, and the coin's price also began to rise. The price of Shiba Inu reached $0. The SHIB currency has increased 8,000% in the last year, according to data from coinbase.com. Several responded to Musk's 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 post, including the founder of Dogecoin, who goes by the Twitter handle of Satoshi Nakamoto. He simply said, "I like this," in response to the picture of 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. Currently Shiba is priced at the number on screen now and is up 61.8% in the past 24 hours and is up 94.8% in the past 7 days. It also currently has a market cap of around $7 billion. Shiba has had a trading volume of $4,505,338,232 in the past 24 hours. It looks likely that Shiba Inu could explode in the near future. With all of the news about Robinhood going around, Shiba is constantly trending and constantly being talked about on social media. Shiba Inu has been talked about so much on social media that it is currently the number 2 highest rated altcoin on Lunar Crush. The coin is also currently ranked number 44 on CoinMarketCap. Shiba Inu has been seeing lots of growth these past few weeks and looks very likely to continue the uptrend, especially as we enter Q4, which is normally a bullish period for all cryptocurrencies. I predict that Shiba will rise with all of the big cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Bitcoin, as altcoins normally rise at this time. Also, if the coin gets listed on Robinhood, it will definitely give the coin a massive spike short term, but it will also be very good for the coin long term. I predict that the coin could see an increase of over 200% before the end of 2021, and I personally will be loading up on Shiba this weekend. Shiba could definitely hit some very high targets in 2021. I believe once the coin hits over 1 million followers on Twitter, it will also get listed on Robinhood and in turn reach over 1 million Shiba Inu holders, which is a huge goal for the Shib community, and will increase the coin's value a lot. I also think Elon Musk is bound to make a couple of Shiba Inu related tweets when the coin hits 1 million followers on Twitter. To finalize my prediction, I believe that Shiba will go up by over 200% by the end of 2021, and the coin's community will continue to grow and break records every single week. Make sure you guys are following me on Twitter to be the first to hear about new uploads and new Shiba Inu information. If you want to learn more about how Shiba Inu could hit 10 cents soon, then check out the video on screen now. You won't be disappointed. What do you guys think the future holds for Shiba Inu token, and do you believe the coin could explode to 10 cents in the near future? Please let me know in the comments what you think. I always reply to all comments. Before we finish today, it would be massively appreciated if you could drop a like on the video and also support us by subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching until the end of the video.